Hello friends, my name is Shalini and today I am going to discuss a value based question from the novel The Invisible Man, and it is written by H.G. Wells. So the question is, through the character of Griffin, H.G. Wells wants to condemn the use of science without humanity comment. And first of all, you all know that value based question will be of 6 marks, and generally question number 11th and 12th are there in our paper. So one should write at least 4 to 5 value points to secure good marks. So here I have divided the answer in few points, so it will be convenient for you to understand and learn the points. So the first point is, in the chapter, H.G. Wells does not speak directly about the consequences of using science without thinking of humanity. That means H.G. Wells does not have a didactic tone, or here he is not sermonizing the readers about the theme or about this question that science without humanity, what it will be. So he talks about this point through various characters of this story. So, in point number 2, I have referred here that his characters like Griffin and Dr. Camp emphasize on this thought through their deeds. Deeds means their work and gestures. Now, point number 3. In the story, Griffin, the protagonist, does not even think if his invention will benefit the society in any way. First of all, uh, what comes in our mind that if any invention of science is there, uh, we will be thinking about this point first, that will it be beneficial for the society or not. So this is our main concern, and here we can understand from the character of Griffin that he uses the invention of science for his own sake. That means he wants to get name and fame, he wanted to become famous by this invisibility theory, and he does not even think about anyone except himself. So here we can understand that he was very selfish in that way. Now next point, he does not think about himself when in a hurry. He did not try to find out the way to reverse invisibility if needed. Here if needed means we all can understand that he couldn't be invisible all the time, because gradually he also came to know that it is very difficult to be without food and without clothes, because for that he had to be uh, naked, and in that kind of chilling winter, how he could be. So when he wanted to reverse that invisibility formula, there was no way for him, because he did not even try to find out the way to reverse this. So ultimately it was a bad result, or it was a um, very bad kind of consequence for himself only, if we leave the society apart. Now, next point is, he has no compassion, no pity at all for people. He goes on a rampage, killing, brutalizing people, anyone who obstructed him in any way. So he was not having any mercy for others, and he was going for rampage killing. Rampage means violent killing. He was showing cruelty towards people, and everybody who was obstructing, that means coming in his way, he was hurting them. Now, next point is, he is responsible for his own father's death as he robbed him. And here, after reading this novel, we come to know that he was so shameless kind of a person. When he hurts his father, he robbed him, and ultimately it led to him by losing his father. So, but he did not mind. And now next point is, he caused agony and intense pain to the cat that was needed for testing his experiment. So here we can see that he had to test his experiment, and for that he used a cat. And he did not care if that cat was in so much pain, so much agony. So anyhow he wants to invent something, and invent something, that means invent this formula. So he did it. Now next is, he burnt the house because he did not want the people to discover his experiments. And he wanted name and fame, so that uh, it is understood that he did not want anyone to know how he experimented that formula and how he came to this finding. So he thinks about him only. Now, next point is, therefore, he had to pay for not realizing that invisibility will leave him without food and clothes. And now here we can understand that any kind of lust for power will lead to person towards disaster. So he was ultimately without food and clothes. And now next point is, in contrast with the character of Griffin, we have here the character of Dr. Kemp also, which I have mentioned in point number 2 also. So Dr. Kemp was a man of conscience. Here he is somewhat different from the character of Griffin. But one thing to mention here, that out of fear only he tried to stop Griffin, but he was also not at all concerned for community. But at least we can say that Dr. Camp refuses to join Griffin in his misguided ambition. So here, as he proves himself a man of conscience, that's why he did not meet hands with Griffin. So the conclusion of this is, he used science without any concern for humanity and paid the price. So, this is the end of this answer. And for you, I am showing the answer again, so that if you want to note the answer, you can. Okay, this is it from my side. So, if you find it useful, do comment on the comment section, and let me know what should be my next point, that means on which topic I should discuss upon. Okay, thanks. Bye bye.